it didn't take, anong take? Hello! Rhazel here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, meron akong bagong series sa channel ko and tatawagin ko siyang Worth It Ba Ang Mahal? Kasi diba meron tayong series na Maganda Ba Ang Mura? And bigyan naman natin ng chance na ma-review yung mga maharlika na like over sa mahal. Like this one right here. Ang first episode ng series natin will be all about the makeup eraser. I got this from Sephora PH. Binigay nila to sa akin actually. It is originally 1,156 pesos. So sobrang mahal niyo guys. For a freaking makeup remover, that's a lot of money. And I personally, kung ako lang, hindi ako bibili na to, but I'm so thankful that you guys are here. Because of you, I get to get, like, you know, yeah. So, thank you. As in, thank you. And thank you so much for 60,000 subscribers. Yeah. Thank you, guys. I love you. Anyway, isa lang siyang, nilalang ko talaga siya. Isa siyang cloth na washable siya. Matagal na to na-release actually. So, this is no way a like new product. But I wanted to review it kasi I'm really interested to see if it actually works. Kasi sabi niya, it removes waterproof mascara. And you guys know my struggle with the Curl Fix Etude House mascara na hindi siya natatanggal ng basta-basta tubig lang. Hindi talaga. So, we'll see. If this works with that, na tubig lang, then, hey. So, yung packaging niya is ito, tapos meron nito. Ito yung cloth, ito talaga yung makeup remover talaga. And then, it comes with instruction and how to use it, how to clean it, and all that. Basahin ko muna yung mga claims niya, ha? Sabi dito, removes your makeup with just water. So, water lang talaga. Waterproof mascara removed in seconds. Seconds daw you guys. We'll see. Machine washable and then soft and promotes healthy skin. We'll see about that. Oh shoot. Wash eraser prior to first erase. Kailangan siyang i-wash. Are you kidding me? Pwede hindi na i-wash. Maliit na portion lang naman yung gagamitin ko eh. Pero yun yung first instruction which I will not do because I'm a savage, you know. Number 2, wet portion of makeup eraser, drench wet. So, drench wet daw. So, i-wet talaga natin siya ng bonggang-bongga using warm water. So, ito, I got warm water right here. Warm talaga siya. Hindi siya malamig. Warm talaga siya. So, i-drench mo daw yung portion lang na gusto mong gamitin. Of course, hindi mo i-wet lahat kasi, diba? Hindi mo naman gagamitin yung buong tela talaga sa mukha mo. So, I'm gonna do that. Just this portion right here. Wet pa more! Wet pa more. By the way, I did a review on the foundation that I have on my face. It's not 100% match on my skin tone, I know, but it was a first impression review. So, you know, first time ko pa siya nagamit kanina. I don't have eyeshadows, but I have, obviously, eyebrows. I have lipstick. I have blush. Wala akong highlight, but yeah, I have foundation. Step number 3 is erase. Gently rub off makeup in a circular motion. Then flip eraser on long nap side with MUE tag. What? Nandito yung tag. Yung unang gagamitan mo na side is yung hindi sa mayroong tag na side. So, ito yung una mong gagamitin. Tapos, after mo siyang rub sa mukha mo, not rub, but yeah, i-rub sa mukha mo, i-ano mo siya, i-flip mo siya on this side, tapos, okay, yes, that makes sense. So, ganito yung side niya, yung isang side niya, parang hindi ganun ka grainy, if you will, and then yung kabilang side, medyo malalaki. Ganyan na lang. So, ito yung kabilang side, tapos ito yung kabilang side. Yung itong side na daw na to, na merong tag, it's to exfoliate. So, meron siyang mga ganong ganap. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. And then, step 4 is to wash it. And sabi pa niya, you can wash it up to 1,000 times. Okay, start natin sa mascara, you guys. Hindi ko kayo makita ng maayos. Okay lang. Okay, kita ko kayo. Okay, we're good. Magsistart ako dito sa walang tag. And then, rub your face in circular motion. So, mag-start ako sa mascara ko kasi sabi niya, it will remove your mascara within seconds lang daw. And again, this mascara is really waterproof. Circular motion. Wait, hindi siya ganun kadali, ha? Basain ko pa nga siya more pa. No. I don't think mawawala siya in seconds. Medyo masakit din siya. It's removing it konti, pero not totally. And meron akong nakitang eyelash. Oh my gosh. Merong isa. I'm not sure if you can see. You cannot see. Pero merong isa. Nakakatakot. Oh my gosh! May dalawa! Tatlo! Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Natatanggal niya yung eyelashes ko. Wait, ipakita ko sa inyo. Baka sabihin nyo nagsisinungaling ako. Ito, one. Hindi ko makita sa monitor. 2. Basta tatlo sila. Hindi nyo makita. Nakita ko siya ngayon. 3 right here. So, meron ng tatlong eyelashes siya. Nakakaloka. Ayoko na. Wait, try ko pa rin. Meron na namang isang eyelash. Ayoko na. Ayoko dito. Nakakatakot naman to. Hindi siya nakaka-remove ng curl fix na mascara. No. Magwe-wet ako ng another portion na naman. Tapos, sa ano ko na, eyebrows. Tapos sa mukha. Okay, so sa eyebrows tayo. Circular motion. Okay, natanggal niya naman ng bongga. And nandito na yung eyebrow product. Ganon. So, okay naman yun. The rest of my face, I will remove the makeup. Hindi ko siya nirarab ng over ha. Ano lang, I'm being gentle. Charot. Meron talaga akong eyelash na nakikita. Kaloka. So far, so good naman. It didn't take long para ma-remove ko yung makeup dito sa side ng mukha ko. And remove naman talaga niya. Okay na okay siya pang remove ng face makeup. Hindi nga lang ng mascara. And hindi siya harsh at all. So, ito yung may makeup. Ito yung wala. And very clean naman niya tingnan. And because it's just water, alam mo na safe siya sa mukha mo. Now, I will use the exfoliating side. And then, just rub it on my face gently. Okay, so it looks like that right now. Again, I feel like sobrang linis na mukha ko. So, it feels good. Yung mascara ko nga lang hindi natanggal. But, yung face makeup, it feels good. Is it worth it? I can't say right now. Hindi ko pa masasabi ngayon. But, na-remove niya naman yung makeup talaga. Like, yeah. Kuha ko ng wet wipe. I will rub it on my face. And then see if meron pang natirang makeup doon. Just to test kung nakuha niya talaga lahat ng makeup ko. I have a makeup wipe right here. Ito, very malinis. Tingnan natin kung meron akong makukuhang makeup pa more. Ooh. Meron konti. Sobrang konting-konti lang. Wait. Makikita nyo ba ng maayos? There. Konti. Yan. I can safely say, hindi niya totally na-remove yung makeup ko. You know what? I will go ahead and get a microfiber towel kasi perfect. Kakabili ko lang ng microfiber towel para kay Papi. Gagamitan ko siya and see kung it will do the same thing on this side kasi it just feels like a freaking cloth to me, you guys. Like a regular cloth. Yeah, it's cool kasi meron siyang maliit dito, merong like malalaking grano dito, but it's a freaking cloth. Okay, so meron ako dito microfiber na towel. 99 pesos lang siya. Nandito yung price. O, hindi ko to plinano at all ha. Like, nagpabili talaga si Papa ng towel. And naisip ko, it looks the same. It doesn't feel the same. This one feels really, really soft. And malay ko kung anong ginawa nila dito kasi sabi daw, it will make your skin softer. And yeah, yung sinabi ko kanina. So, I'm gonna wet this warm water. And then, magsa-start ako sa mascara ko. Wala na akong pag-asa dito. I'm pretty sure hindi siya makakatanggal ang mascara ko. But, we will try just for the sake of this video. Sana walang matanggal ang mga eyelashes. Maawa ka naman sa akin. Yeah, it just doesn't feel right. Like, rubbing your eyelashes with a freaking towel. It just doesn't feel right. Parang feeling ko natatag ng eyelashes ko instead of like, nare-remove niya. Parang nahihila niya yung eyelashes. Tapos, parang natatanggal niya. Merong natanggal na eyelash. I know. I don't want. Merong natanggal na eyelash. So, no. I will proceed sa aking eyebrows. So, I'm gonna do the same thing. Circular motion. And see kung matatanggal niya. Okay, natanggal niya naman you guys. Same, ano lang ha, pressure lang yung in-apply ko dito sa kabila. Kanina, na-apply natin of pressure sa kabila. Mas soft yung kanina. Kasi, mas soft naman talaga yung tela niya. But I feel like it is doing the same thing. It's removing my makeup the same way. Wala nga lang siyang exfoliating na part. Sure ba? So, now, wala na lahat ng makeup ko. And then, yan, yung itsura ng towel. Hindi masyadong kita kasi yung kulay niya iba. But, yeah. Now, let's do the test and see kung meron pang makeup na natara. I will be using the clean part. Ito. Oh, wow! In fairness, mas madumi siya compared sa kanina. Ito yung kanina, oh, sa makeup eraser. Ganyan yung kanina. Sobrang konti lang. And ito yung sa regular towel. So, in fairness naman talaga sa kanya, mas nakaka-remove siya nung, ginamit din naman kasi natin siya 2 beses. I'm pretty sure that's why. Kasi diba ginamit natin yung dito, tapos ginamit din natin yung dito para ma-exfoliate. So, 2 beses ko siya nirub dito, tapos dito, isa lang. So, worth it ba ito? Para sa akin, hindi. Maybe meron siyang mga benefits para sa mukha mo. Again, yung sinabi niya kanina na it will make your skin healthier. In the long run, siguro yun yung mangyayari. But as a makeup eraser, para sa akin, hindi siya worth it. Sobrang mahal niya. And like, after mo ito gamitin, kailangan mo na siyang i-wash. Para sa akin, hassle siya. Like, yeah, nakakatanggal nga siya ng makeup. Pero hindi siya nakakatanggal ng aking waterproof mascara. And natatanggal pa niya yung mga eyelashes ko. Hindi siya worth it para sa akin. Mas prefer ko pa rin na hugasan talaga yung mukha ko and mag-apply ng cleanser. So yeah, yun yung thoughts ko about this. Please do like this video if you enjoyed this video. I know this video is not gonna be for everyone kasi alam ko naman na yung iba wala talagang pakialam sa mga maharlika. Like, I feel you, you guys. I feel you. Pero I wanted to do this series para malaman din natin kung okay din naman talaga or worth it din naman talaga yung mga mahal. Anyway, that's it for this video. Please like this video if you like this series. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!